Beautiful, beautiful pepper tonight. This is a purple Gator Jigsaw, grown and gifted to me by Nathan Brady. Super excited. So it's comes from the mind of Rocco Maltese. Now again, it's a variant off of the Gator Jigsaw. So I don't know if I think Rocco might have just been the first one to discover it, in his plants, but. Purple Gator Jigsaw, I've had plenty of these. They're good chilies. I like the flavor on these generally, and they have good heat. Although, a lot of the ones I've had over the years aren't quite this big. So this is a massive Purple Gator Jigsaw. It's got a beautiful tail, little stinger just kind of protruding out of there. And as you can see, there's all the imperfect coloration, dark spots, lighter spots. It's almost red down here. They're just really, really good looking chilies. So 1.5 to 2 million estimation on the Scoville on these guys. So should be in for a good burn. Hope everybody's having a good day. Thank you guys for burning with me, and let's give it a shot. And thank you, Nathan. $12 grams. It's a big boy. She's wet. Big bunch of seeds and placenta in this guy. Has a rough exterior. Nice thick walled pepper. Wow, that placenta is just wet. I know some people don't like purple pods. I do. Look at that placenta. Just pink. got good heat. Birds. So it has like a fruity note to it, but it's like an unsweet fruit note. That makes sense. It was kind of sweet, but it was definitely, it's not like it's sugary sweet. It's like a fruit sweet, but even less sweet than that. Great aftertaste. It just lingers. Like I can taste the flavor of that pepper in my saliva right now. It's just regenerating, coming back. When I lick my lips, I can taste the pepper, the flavor of that pod. That's not something that always happens. It's got this nostril kind of running a little bit. Eyes aren't too glossy or watery though. You know, it's, knock on wood, I feel like everybody that partakes in eating super hot peppers, right, that enjoys it, does it for competition, takes a bite because they're making a sauce. Some people that review them, you know, people that are familiar with super hot pods and peppers in general. We all have our certain things that burn us more than other pods, I believe. And purple peppers like this, they just never seem too hot for me, or too hot to me, I'm sorry. Now that's not saying it's not hot. It's just the way that the capsaicin, the oils, and the pepper react to me. You know, and some people are going to be different, and their palate and their whatever is going to react different to purple capsaicin. It's different, you know what I mean? And there's other people that can handle, you know, red super hots, but a purple one might kind of throw them off a little bit, right? So I really enjoy that pepper. Purple Gator Jigsaw is a top pepper for me for a super hot variety for sure. I mean, it has a nice mellow even burn that's strong, but it's not violent. It's not hitting the throat too hard, even though I can feel it. It's all around the front of the mouth. both sides evenly, and I chewed mostly on this side, you know, but it's on both. But those are just, they're cool looking chilies. I like those, you know, multiple colored pods that have blush marks on them and different things like that. So it's just a great pepper. Really nice. It's got this nostril running now too. So like I said, it's definitely a super hot. It's definitely hot. It's just, here's what I'm getting at. If you were to take that pepper and get a Scoville test done and then eat it, and say it came back at only 1.2 million, whatever, right? Whatever it came out, and you were able to find another variety of chili, just a different colored pod, so an orange, a red, chocolate, whatever, mustard, yellow, white, whatever, and it measured at 1.2, and then you ate that, one's going to affect me more than the other. So if it's a red or a chocolate, and now I'm finding even some orange, those are the ones that really violently burn and are harder to deal with for me than their counterparts, than whites, yellows, mustards. And it's just because they might measure the same on a Scoville test, but it's the makeup of those chilies affects me personally at a different level than what these oils and capsaicinoids affects me at, right? It's crazy, but anyway, I'm gonna kill it. I gotta go shave. I got basketball tomorrow, so probably won't have a video up for another few nights because I got basketball the next 2 nights. There's nothing worse than having a cramp if it comes on and running doing basketball. So I don't even go there anymore. I have, but I'm not doing it this week. And then Friday is usually a day I don't really, you know, make a video on Friday. I usually just have so much chores and stuff to do after work. So might not have one up for a while, but anyways. I love you guys. Thank you for burning with me. It's your #1 hot sauce guy. I'll see you later.